Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Richard Insider. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency prices have been going up, but it went back down. So today I'm gonna tell you what's going on and why did it drop a little bit and my opinion on Bitcoin price prediction in the future. So let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now 39,600. It hit 42,000 on July, August 1st. August 1st. Just very, very brief moment, not even a day, but it jumped from 38,000 on Friday to Saturday 42,000. So which is good that it couldn't hold 42,000, that it dropped back down again. So it's really, really important. 42,000 is very, very critical point. The Bitcoin price has to hold 42,000 and maybe for a few days, then it go up more, 43,000, 44,000. That's what I really want to see. If Bitcoin breaks 42,000 and is able to hold it for a few days and going back up slowly, the next price target will be 45,000. To be exact, it's 44,600. That's what I'm really looking at. So the next price point is 45,000. Once it breaks 45,000, then we could be seeing really, really clear trend of going up. Very, very bullish sign. Very, very bullish sign for that. So it's very important. So let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum also went back up as well. It used to be 2,200. Now it's 2,600. Around 2,600. Ethereum, that's a 5 days price. And if you look at 1 month, it hit below 1,800 on July 20th. So Bitcoin the same. If you look at 1 month, it hit below 30,000. So Bitcoin Cash now 540. It used to be 1,200. So all the cryptocurrencies follow Bitcoin price. Very similar trend. Bitcoin Cash used to be below 400. Now it is now back up over 500 again. Ethereum currency is $50, not so much. It used to be over $120. And Dogecoin is hovering around 20 cents. And Shiba Inu is around five decimal places and 63. I really want to see only 4 decimal. 4 decimal then that could be a bullish sign for that. And compared to Bitcoin and Dogecoin, I really like. Compared to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, I really like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those two are my favorite. But if I have to say the third one, I would say Cardano. Cardano will be the third one. I'm gonna tell you why in a few minutes why I like Bitcoin. If you want to get free cryptos, you can get free cryptos in the description in the comment down below in the YouTube or Facebook video from the Coinbase. Another development is Shiba Inu is now listed on eToro. The price hasn't changed, but it's good news that Shiba Inu is getting recognized by major crypto exchanges. eToro is a social crypto exchange for trader as well, so which is good. So what is the news that causing the Bitcoin to drop? It's because there is an infrastructure 550 billion in bipartisan infrastructure bill that is in U.S. Congress, that it has a provision to raise 28 billion from crypto investor, and some of them worry that this could kill the industry. So what is in the provision? That's what we are going to find out. In the provision, this is a deeply misguided provision. If adopted, will do far more harm than good to U.S. interests. And let's look at what it is. Proposes taxing Bitcoin cryptocurrency profits to fund U.S. infrastructure investment, with definition of broker being widened to the extent that crypto exchanges and wallet providers would need to collect far more information about their user than they currently do. So basically, when you open a stock investment account on a stock brokers, they ask you a lot of questions. It's called KYC, know your customer. They stockbrokers are required by law to ask you your full name, your date of birth, your social security, and your address, all your information, your financial information. So cryptocurrency, if this bill is passed, crypto exchanges and wallet, they need to ask the same question, same or similar questions to get to know the customer. And not only that, any broker that transfer any digital asset will need to file a return and a modified information reporting regime. So there will be more reporting required. And also the provision further makes clear that broker-to-broker reporting applies to all transfer covered securities within the minimum session. So they are also looking to expand the definition of broker. So basically that could mean anybody who sells cryptocurrency could be defined as a broker. So if you require everybody to do reporting, not a lot of people is going to be interested to trade cryptocurrency, because they don't just want to do extra reporting just to be able to trade security. So that is really, really scary for the investor. So that's why the cryptocurrency drop, and also that will affect lawmakers who fear that Bitcoin and crypto mining could accelerate climate change, that they are unhappy with the industry US growth. So that's another reason that everybody is afraid that they could potentially make the compliance is literally impossible if when it comes if they pass a regulation that makes it so difficult to comply. So that's gonna kill the industry. So that's what crypto investor traders are worried about. Also regulators, what are they worried about? They are worried that this crypto mining could impact the environment. So if there is a way for everybody to come together, say crypto miners, they're gonna use more renewable energy, and regulators, they are able to implement regulation that prevent crimes, like anti-money laundering, anti-counter-terrorism. That I believe cryptocurrencies will be existent in the next many years to come. So what I really worry about is regulation. Over regulations could kill the industry. And good news is that regulations, they haven't indicated that they want to ban the cryptocurrency. That's a good news. They just want to test it. They just want to get some money from the crypto investor traders. So that's good news. Another good news is that Golden Tree adds Bitcoin to its balance sheet. What is a Golden Tree? Golden Tree is a asset management company institution. They are also thinking about hiring experts in crypto investment, which is good news. When you start to see so many institutions, Art Invest and Golden Tree, Tesla, talking about Bitcoin, added to Bitcoin, that's good news. They add Bitcoin. They did not add other cryptocurrency like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. So that's why I like Bitcoin. I really like Bitcoin. I really like Ethereum. The third one will be the Cardano. If you want to ask me to choose, So I really like Bitcoin. So in my opinion, I believe this is very, very risky, but the rewards can be really great. Without that news came up, that Bitcoin could be on its way to 45,000, because the news about infrastructure, the taxing 28 billion, making it so difficult for reporting point of view. So that's gonna be that's why the Bitcoin drop a little bit. But over long term, I believe I hope Bitcoin are being added regularly to Bitcoin. So only invest, only trade in cryptocurrency what you can afford to lose. Just imagine you wake up tomorrow in the morning, your crypto account becomes zero. Were you able to sleep? Were you able to go day-to-day life? So if the answer yes, that's good. You haven't invested a lot. You are managing your risk well. Your risk tolerance is good. But if you are going to lose your sleep, if you cannot go to work, you're gonna cry. Don't do that. Don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Make sure you get the free cryptos, free stocks in the description comment below. Bye bye.